Hey, I'm Giampao. I'm the lead engineer for our space business at NG in the UK and Europe. The partnership between Northrop Grumman and Space Forge is bringing together two really innovative companies, bringing decades of expertise that Northrop Grumman has in the semiconductor industry and microelectronics, and combining with Space Forge's innovative approach for new materials and in-space manufacturing. The semiconductor industry and technology in general is moving at such an incredible rate right now, so it's awesome to be able to work with innovative companies like Space Forge to see what's next and how much performance we can get out of new in-space grown materials. In-space manufacturing provides a really unique environment for manufacturing between the vacuum, the extreme temperature differences that you get. Obviously that comes with challenges as well of miniaturization and things being space qualified, but it does enable you to make unique materials that have way less imperfections than they would on Earth, based on contamination, based on radiation, and based on the microgravity environment that you get. We're trying to characterize the performance of those materials so that we can identify what the end user performance would be on semiconductors here on Earth. We're excited to work with Space Forge on the DTEP program. We'll be able to take some of their first materials that they're going to work on in space, bring those down and characterize them in our foundries that we have in the US. These materials are going to be used in microelectronics that can be used for the UK defense environment and its allies.